Battery box build. That's what I got so far. I got the control panel in. You can see the USB plugs. Got a few rockers on there. Circuit lighter plug in. I also got a super bright light attached to it. You can see right there. Thing will light up a room, man. Can't get much better than that for light. This thing is so bright it's blinding. I got a dimmer switch ordered for it. But yeah, she's putting off 13.8 volts, which I can adjust that up or down. Right now I got it plugged in. Got an inverter on the way. I got a battery charger. I got the solar panels and solar charger already. 100 amp hour battery. That should be able to run a refrigerator for 3 days without a charge. But yeah, that's the build so far. This is what I've gotten done today. I'll show you what that LED looks like with it off. I went through and hot glued it in there so it's sealed up nice. Took a piece of plexiglass, put over top of it. But yeah, that thing will light pretty good. The dimmer switch should be able to be nice to turn up and down. Battery box. Here we go.